When I start sewing my layered pants, I start with the front. I have the front pieces here, the front upper piece, the front lower piece, and the front bottom piece. Remember to do a little notch here because the front bottom is cut on fold, so to mark your center front. I'm gonna put this piece now away for a while and continue working with the front lower piece and front upper piece. I will sew the front center seams together, so I have serged them before already, and then I'm gonna align them and pin them together. If in doubt for figuring out what is the center front, it's the straight edge that is here on the lower front piece, and for the upper front piece, similarly, the short straight edge. And now we're gonna go and sew. Now that I've sewn together the front upper and front lower pieces, I'm gonna combine them. So here I have the front upper piece, and I'm going to align it together with the front lower piece. Match the center front seams. Open the seam allowances with your finger. Now take the front bottom piece and align it to the front lower piece, right sides together. Match the notch with the center front seam. Open the seam allowances with your fingers. Then you can go and sew both of the seams that you just bent. After you've sewn together the lower and upper front pieces, there is this small short edge at the end of the pieces, so sew that also, so that you will make the bottom of your pockets. This is on both sides. After you have stitched the seams, finish them with the serger or with the zigzag. Now I combined the upper, lower and bottom front pieces together. So the trousers, the front trousers should look like this. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create the pocket folds. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna take this is kind of the end of the pocket, the corner, and here you have the corner also, and then I'm gonna fold it, aligning to what is the trouser side seam. Then I'm gonna stay stitch these pieces together to keep them in place. And after that, I'm going to serge or finish with a zigzag the side seam, which is this one here, and this little piece here as well, on both sides. Now that I've sewn the pockets to the side seams, my front piece is complete. So it should look like this. I have serged the seam. This is the side seam of the trouser, and here is this little angle which I also finished with the serger. And what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna give a press to all the seams that I've done, and then I'm finished with the front. Press the center front seam allowances open